Tired of feeling blah? Let's whip up a mood-boosting masterpiece with this easy-to-make dark chocolate smoothie that you can make every day. Hello, I'm Dr. Uma, your mood food expert, and welcome to my channel. I'm a nutritional psychiatrist, a chef, a nutritional biologist, and I teach at Harvard. As a nutritional psychiatrist, what I do is fuse my knowledge of the brain, health, and food to help my patients and students, and hopefully you now that's watching this channel. I'm also a national and international best-selling author of 2 books about mood and food. If you watched my previous videos, you already know about the connection between the gut and the brain. As a short recap, this connection shows that what you eat affects the health of your brain. If you frequently eat less healthy foods, like ultra-processed foods, junk foods, and fast foods, and foods with a lot of added sugars, you will also realize that these are toxic to the gut and cause inflammation. The inflammation is the body's reaction to fighting off these toxins. Imagine if you eat unhealthy foods daily, then the inflammation becomes long-term. Long-term inflammation in the gut leads to neuroinflammation in the brain. Brain inflammation weakens your mental well-being. So, how can you avoid neuroinflammation is to eat foods that help to lower inflammation, and by doing so, you will also get to improve your mental well-being. And as the title of this video says, I will be sharing with you a recipe that you can follow every day or as often as you like, using foods that are healthy, like walnuts, avocado, a tiny touch of honey, and dark chocolate. These are components that help reduce inflammation and help symptoms of depression. Are you ready? Let's get straight to the smoothie recipe, which you can do in just a few minutes. What you need for this recipe is about a cup of unsweetened plant-based milk or milk of your choice. My preference is hemp milk. A tablespoon of walnuts, 1 scoop of a plain protein powder of your choice. I like a pea protein or a whey protein. A tablespoon of ground flax seeds, a teaspoon of organic instant coffee powder, 1 teaspoon of cacao powder, a teaspoon of honey, and a small piece of ripe avocado. Place all of these ingredients in a blender with a 1/4 cup of ice cubes and blend. Add more water or ice if you want your smoothie slightly thinner or if it ends up too thick. If you're serving more than 2, just double or triple the quantity, depending on how many people you're serving. Sip and enjoy. This smoothie is a delicious brain food that you don't have to feel guilty about enjoying. After trying the recipe, let me know what you think by sharing it in the comments. If you'd like to know more about the science of your mood and food, check the link in the description below and download my free mini ebook. If you love this recipe, you can find out more on my website, umanaidoomd.com. The recipe is also linked in the description. If you want more recipes for boosting your mood, you can check out both my books, This Is Your Brain on Food and Calm Your Mind with Food, each of which have an entire chapter on mood food recipes. Try them out and see you in the next video.